Okay, I got a course unboxing because I want you to don't get away. So I went to course and here is my receipt. They don't make it pretty because I probably went to the oven. So that my coach receipt and oh my god, the white is beautiful. Cold. Again, gold. They asked me if I wanted the birthday. Can you make it pretty for me? Because I'm gonna do the job. So, yeah. Was going and then they put it in the nice tissue paper. They go for some of the tissue paper. Oh my god. So, here it is. And here is my new wallet. The two-tone leather with gold embossed, and there is nice, yeah, got the order in the back, and it's nice. I'm gonna put the name, the wallet name down below, and also the title. And the wallet is so pretty. It's one of the best gold wallet that I ever ordered from Coach because it my favorite Coach item. More really good. And the back is my second coach. This is my second coach item. So I'm starting to like coach more than before. I don't know. In here, it's a nice. You got is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4. So you got 8 cards in both sides. So 4 in each. I don't know. Yeah, 4. And now I think it also is what do you call it? And also here is the deck. Right there. And team in China. And this one is kind of limit me on my first design item from Mexico, which is so good. So that one, and here is the information card. The card, I guess, to go with the wallet. And you got your credit card, pocket, and the 250 you gotta buy, and I got it for $98, I believe, and I like it. I like the two-tone color. It's pretty. Yeah. So here it goes. I think, oh my god, I think somebody painting. Goes. I think I'm gonna remove the because I'm gonna use it right away. Up there. So that is it for my course unboxing water. And also the zip is also nice. Yeah. And then it got a nice yellow detail. And yeah, so that's all. And I will talk to you guys soon, and happy New Year. Bye.